It's good to feel good. A new beginning coming in for you. I feel a new door is opening up for you in your love life. You are about to get a breakthrough or the truth about your love life. Clarity, honesty, communication, or a new intellectual perspective that could change how you view love. A logical breakthrough or some new something new, a truth that will present itself to you. Someone may even apologize to you or propose to you. This will come from someone who is imaginative and sensitive. This will come from someone who is charming, graceful, diplomatic, who may want to negotiate with you or mediate. The truth of your relationship is about to be revealed to you in a much deeper, romantic, idealistic way. This person is very charming. You may also have a moment of clarity about the relationship, which will follow by someone taking romantic action. For some of you, if you are single and is seeking a partner, there is a new romantic prospect on its way to you. There will also be a breakthrough in your thinking about love. Some of you may have recently gained a new perspective